So this is an inflatable paddle board that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna unbox it now. It is very well packaged. So you have some user's manuals here. This is the bag for it. This is the pump. And this is the safety strap. So this is the paddles. And this is the fin that you put on the bottom. It's really heavy. It feels really well made. So here it has a grippy surface so that you don't slip when you're on the water. And this is here the Kevlar. And this is the bottom of it. It's slippery for the water. It has here some elastics as a hook. Here we put the fin, and this is the lock for the fin here, like this after you put it. So you slide it like this. There you go. So it slides like this, and you lock it with a lock here. So it has a small lock. So I'm gonna remove it now because I wanna inflate it. So to inflate it, this is the pump, and this is the hose that comes with the pump. Just insert this here and tighten it like this. Now it's tight. And here this is the valve. So just open it, and you see it has a valve here. And now put the other end of the hose of the pump here and turn it. So now it is locked in place. And let's start inflating. You notice when you inflate it that the sides here will start popping up, like here. So don't be alarmed and continue to inflate it. It should be well inflated. Just to show you that, you see here you have a gauge with yellow, green and red. You should keep inflating it until the gauge reaches the green. So here's the paddle board. It has like a strap to hold it here. And now it is really well inflated. So you see if I stand on it, it is really well inflated. So here is the paddle. So this here goes in the pin like this. See? So notice here, to insert this, you have the pins, and you cannot insert it unless you push it upwards like this. And now you can insert it. So it is easily inserted. So put it to the height you want. For instance, if you want to paddle while sitting down, put it to the smallest height. And if you want to paddle while standing up, put it to the height that is convenient for you. So let me put it here, almost in the middle. And here make sure it is tight. And now this is the paddle assembled. I'm gonna still show you the ankle strap. So just attach it like this. So here it is attached, and attach this end here to your ankle. So I'm gonna attach it to my ankle here. So this way, if you fall, you will not lose the paddle. So like this. And that's it.